Yes. It's good, man.
Thank you, Goldie.
It's good. It's so much fun to, I don't know. I mean, you do these in-home concerts. I don't know. You asked us to do this 4 or 5 years ago, and you'd be like, yeah, whatever, dude. I'm going to playing Red Rocks. I ain't even going in your living room. And now it seems...
From living room to Red Rocks.
Yeah, it was interesting. I had a guy here the other night. He was like... I says, so how'd your year start? And he says, oh, it's been great. First gig was I played the halftime for the St. Louis Blues and the whoever they were playing that night. And I was like, cool. And now you're playing my living room. And he's like, yeah, this is sick. I thought that was kind of cool. I think that the way we digest content now is different. Speaking of which, we've got Janice Garrett. Janice Garrett? Does anyone know Janice?
Who's Janice?
Mom and Dad Garrett watching, and they say thank you.
Mom and Papa G.
Yeah, Janice in the house. Eric Denise, or D Nice, as some would know. Eric Denise in the house.
D Nice. Is that from the Key and Peele show?
It is. It's from that. It's from that Aaron situation. Who's Joanna Goodman?
Joanna from Tabernacle.
Dude, I'll tell you this right now. She's in the house.
Yeah, Joanna.
She's in.
Joanna's one of our Kickstarter contributors.
Oh, that's so cool. Right on, Joanna.
Make that first record.
That shows true, legitimate support right there. Not like I went to a bowling event, donated $6 and thought I helped, but actually showed up more than once. That's really nice. Joanna, you're the real hero tonight, Joanna. Everyone, let's just write a song about Joanna. Anna, I love you. I don't know if that's the same. It's different. Anyway, I'll let you guys sing the song. Sorry, it's not for me. Next, where do we go?
Joanna.
I can't wait to hear the next song that's not mine.
Can we see what's going on in the kitchen real quick?
Yeah, let's go to the kitchen.
What's going on in the kitchen?
In the kitchen right now, you got Tabby. Yeah! Tabby's in the kitchen. Let's go to some music.
Okay. Next track we're going to play for you is could be the title track of this second record. I think it's 90% sure that this is the title track. And maybe track one. This is called Radial Haze. The towers are lit. The tanks are full. The crew is worthy, ready to go. Could it be that we blasting off tonight? All the world's cares must be shared to join us on this flight. Take your seats. We're so glad for this chance to share the ride into the haze. T-minus nothing. And we're spinning. Here we go now, reaching for another light. There we are, tripping through the void. There's no driver in the afterglow. All aboard the Radial Haze. All aboard the Radial Haze. When you took off, the skies were fair, no signs of rain. Amelia sings. Hearts of air, side by side, engines home with hope and all you left behind. The world's behind. take your seats. We're so glad for this chance to share the ride into the haze. T-minus nothing, and we're spinning. Here we go now, reaching for another light. There we are, tripping through the void. There's no driver in the afterglow.